The Nissan Pathfinder offers a perfect mix of rugged performance, modern technology, and spacious comfort for family adventures. For 2025, Pathfinder offers the Nissan Maintenance Care plan with up to 3 oil changes, while the SV and Rock Creek trims gain a power liftgate, previously exclusive to higher trims. So let's look at 10 things you need to know before buying the 2025 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that generates 284 horsepower and 259 pound-feet of torque. This setup offers solid performance for everyday driving, delivering smooth acceleration, especially when paired with the 9-speed automatic transmission. It performs decently in terms of power delivery, but it doesn't quite stand out compared to some competitors like the Telluride or Highlander. In all-wheel drive versions, the car's acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is around 6.6 seconds. While fuel efficiency is reasonable, the engine's performance feels more oriented toward comfort than dynamic driving or heavy off-road capabilities. The Pathfinder has a bold and rugged exterior design, exuding a sense of adventure and capability. Its muscular front grille, strong lines, and wide stance give it a commanding road presence, while the sleek profile maintains an aerodynamic touch. The updated LED headlights and signature lighting add a modern flair, while the pronounced wheel arches and chrome accents elevate its premium feel. The overall design is well balanced, blending utility with style, and its larger size ensures ample interior space. While it might not be as aggressive as some off-road focused rivals, the car's exterior still conveys durability and versatility, making it a solid choice for families with active lifestyles. The Pathfinder stands out with its robust suite of safety features, making it a solid family SUV. It comes equipped with Nissan's Safety Shield 360, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The Pathfinder also offers adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. In terms of crash test performance, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration awarded it a 5-star overall safety rating, reflecting its solid protection across various crash scenarios. Additionally, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gave it top ratings in most crash tests, further reinforcing its safety credentials. The Pathfinder delivers a comfortable and spacious cabin designed for both short trips and long journeys. With seating for up to 8 passengers, the Pathfinder offers ample legroom in both the front and second rows, making it ideal for families. The third row is suitable for adults on shorter trips, though a bit tight for extended use. Premium materials, including available leather upholstery, give the interior an upscale feel. The cabin is well insulated, minimizing road noise, and the seats are supportive, even on long drives. With features like tri-zone climate control and a user-friendly infotainment system, the Pathfinder ensures a comfortable experience for everyone. The Pathfinder's infotainment system offers a blend of modern features and some limitations. Standard across all trims is an 8-inch touchscreen running the latest Nissan Connect software, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Upgrading to higher trims like the SL or Platinum provides a larger 9-inch display, wireless Apple CarPlay, and additional amenities such as a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 13-speaker Bose audio system. However, compared to competitors offering 10 and 12-inch touchscreens, the Pathfinder's system may feel slightly dated. Some users have reported issues with wireless connectivity, notably with Apple CarPlay. The vehicle's infotainment system is functional and feature-rich, but it may not fully match the advanced offerings of some rivals. The Pathfinder offers impressive cargo space, making it a solid choice for families and adventurers. With all seats in place, the Pathfinder provides 16.6 cubic feet of storage, which is generous for a 3-row SUV. When the third-row seats are folded down, the space expands to a roomy 45 cubic feet, ideal for larger gear or luggage. For maximum cargo capacity, folding the second and third rows opens up 80.5 cubic feet, rivaling many midsize SUVs. While the flat-load floor and easy-to-use seat folds enhance practicality, some rivals may offer even more room. The Pathfinder offers impressive towing capabilities, with standard models capable of hauling up to 3,500 pounds. Opting for the towing package boosts this capacity to a class-leading 6,000 pounds, surpassing many competitors in the mid-size SUV segment. This enhanced towing capacity, combined with the Pathfinder's robust V6 engine, makes it a reliable choice for those needing substantial towing power. However, it's important to note that achieving the maximum towing capacity requires selecting specific trims and packages. The Pathfinder delivers a comfortable and composed ride, excelling in daily commuting and long-distance travel. Its suspension effectively absorbs road imperfections, ensuring a smooth journey for occupants. However, handling is less responsive, with some reviews describing it as utterly forgettable and not in the least entertaining. The steering is characterized as slow, and the vehicle's large turning radius complicates maneuverability, making tight spaces and sharp turns more challenging. In off-road scenarios, the Rock Creek Edition stands out, offering exceptional off-road capabilities while maintaining daily driving comfort. The vehicle prioritizes comfort over dynamic handling, making it a suitable choice for families seeking a smooth and relaxing ride. The Pathfinder offers competitive fuel economy for a mid-size SUV. EPA estimates for the front-wheel drive model are 20 miles per gallon in the city, 27 miles per gallon on the highway, and a combined 23 miles per gallon. All-wheel drive variants see a slight improvement, achieving 21 miles per gallon city, 27 miles per gallon highway, and 23 miles per gallon combined. The Rock Creek trim, designed for enhanced off-road performance, has slightly lower ratings at 20 miles per gallon city and 23 miles per gallon highway. These figures align with segment averages, offering a balanced mix of efficiency and power for daily commutes and longer trips. The Pathfinder starts at $38,460 for the base S trim and goes up to $51,810 for the top-tier Platinum model. This pricing places it in the competitive range for mid-size SUVs, offering good value given its features. The Rock Creek Edition, designed for off-road enthusiasts, is priced at $45,160, providing a balance of rugged performance and style. While the price is reasonable for the segment, it may still feel a bit steep for those primarily interested in urban driving. For families looking for a comfortable, well-equipped SUV with solid towing capacity and off-road capability, the car's pricing offers a good bang for the buck without breaking the bank.